Hey, it's Justin and Bethany. We're so happy you decided to join us today.
Today we're going to do something a bit different. We have a story for you that starts with us visiting another of our must-do stops in Disney Springs.
If you've watched any of our other videos, you'll know that we're big on Disney traditions. And as a family of all girls, except Justin, visiting Basin to pick up our favorite bath products is a must-do. Look at these lights.
Listen to that music.
Speakers. Don't listen to that music. I'll get demonetized. Welcome to Disney Springs.
If you're unfamiliar with Basin, you've been missing out. Not only is it one of the best smelling stores in Disney Springs,
How cute Basin is all lit up.
arguably except for the bakeries,
Oh, it smells so good.
but you can try any of their sugar scrubs and your hands will be silky smooth the rest of the day. I can't believe I just said that.
Basin makes bath products of all kinds. Bath bombs, bath salts, bath sake, body butter, sugar scrubs, soaps, shampoo bars, lip scrubs. I'm sure we're missing something, so you should just stop by or visit their website.
Basin has locations at Downtown Disney in California and Disney Springs in Florida. There's also a Basin White store located in the Grand Floridian, and I think they've actually opened up a lot of stores nationwide, as well as having products in CVS stores and Scheels.
Okay, so jump into this story. We were visiting Basin and buying bath bombs for Abby. You're the bomb. When we stumbled upon one of their limited time products. It was a red dragon egg that smelled like champagne, berries, and tangerines. Seriously, so good.
Of course we got it, and Bethany couldn't wait to use it in the soaker tub at Saratoga Springs. So we headed back to the room so she could relax after a long day of running around the parks.
Gorgeous! If you've never used a bath bomb, we have two pieces of advice. First, watching them dissolve is mesmerizing and almost as relaxing as laying in the warm bath. And second, never tell a TSA agent, "Oh, those are just my bath bombs." It's not going to go over well. Trust us.
So before we move on, I just want to ask, in the grand scheme of bath bombs, where did this one rank?
I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you.
Are you asking if it was worth the pain that is the rest of the story?
You know I am.
Let's just move on. After relaxing for a couple hours and then draining the tub, I realized that I might have a problem. And honestly, this isn't the first time I've experienced this problem, so I wasn't surprised, but I was shocked at how much work it took to remedy it.
Problem was that nice white bathtub was now a nice shade of pink, as was everything else you touched with your new Midas powers, like the walls and the floor and the towels and the sink. At first we just laughed, but after trying to wipe it up, it wasn't funny because it was everywhere and it wasn't coming up.
It's true. At first, we just tried to clean it up with soap and water, but that just spread it around. Then we realized it was because of the oils, so use the dish soap, but that just spread it around even more. And now the stains seemed to be setting, and we were starting to panic. We weren't being irrational. It really was everywhere, and our attempts to clean it just made it worse.
After 4 days of wasting soap, we considered calling housekeeping to see if they had anything to help clean it up, but after the Clorox wipes didn't work, we weren't sure anything would touch it. We happened to be FaceTiming with our daughters, and Abby suggested that we get a magic eraser because, in her words, those things will clean anything. Duh, we had a car. Why didn't we think of going to the store? So the next morning at 6 a.m., I got up and drove to the grocery store. I was the first person in the parking lot, and I was that guy standing at the door waiting to get in. When they finally unlocked the doors, the man said to me, "You know this isn't Black Friday, right?" I just moved past him because I was on a mission to not get charged for having to replace the bathtub and the tile and repaint the bathroom. I ended up getting a very strong cleaner and some magic erasers and racing back to the room to see if it would work.
Justin walked in the door and immediately started spraying the cleaner in the tub to see if it would restore the clean white tub. tub.
We don't need to drag this out any further. We can just skip to the end because this finally worked. It worked on the tub and on the tile floor. It worked on the countertops and the walls. It worked so well that I couldn't stop cleaning. I cleaned everything from the scuffed up baseboards to the walls in the bedroom and in the kitchen.
Honestly, we thought the room looked nice and new when we got there, but now it looked like a brand new, freshly painted room. We joked that Disney should pay us for the professional cleaning service, so if you're in room 1834 in the Congress Park section of Disney Saratoga Springs Resort after May 22nd, you're welcome for the cleanest, most sanitized room you could possibly have had.
This is the aftermath of the Dragon Egg Bath Bomb. We have scrubbed this tub so many times. We have tried the soap at the sink. We were hoping it was like Dawn in the kitchen. And we also used the dishwasher detergent. That didn't work either. And Justin finally went to the store and got Mr. Clean Magic Erasers and Clorox. And now we have a beautiful tub. Good job, Justin.
So that's it. There's our story of how a bath bomb made to help you relax can actually give you anxiety. So does this mean that your love of Basin is over?
Of course not. This isn't something that happens with all bath bombs, and now we know how to deal with it if it happens again.
Well, there you go, folks. Something worth that hassle must be really good. Seriously, they're not even paying us to say this, so you should probably check out Basin the next time you're visiting Disney Springs or downtown Disney, or somewhere where they have a store. Or maybe just head over to their website and pick something up for yourself.
But before you go, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss out on our insanity. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye!